Yo, what's happening? It's your dog. We back, man, and as y'all can see, man, we in Winter Wonderland.
Winter Wonderland.
Really don't feel all that cold though, but it's cold.
Snowball.
And me and Jody Joe finna walk to the store. You dig what I'm saying? Jody, try to keep the snow off your shoes, off your toes. Well, you got insulation. You got insulation on yours. Finna walk to the store, man. See if the store open. Finna grill some steaks. Finna put some steaks on the grill. Somebody getting active. Oh, nah, that's a four-wheeler. So, yeah. I got my gloves. I'm gonna let y'all see what it do out here. Let y'all see what it do. Once I get halfway to where I'm going. Oh shit. Huh? Yeah, man, now we're gonna walk back to the house. Watch the curb. Oh boy. Go holler at old Pics by Nick. Nah, if he ain't outside, I ain't gonna holler. I'll see him later. Look, I got a forward down there. Yeah, man, finna go fire this grill up, Jack. No. That boy hype. On the forward. Where you go? Oh, there you go.
Is this our footprint back?
Yep.
Oh my god.
That's why I gotta go and get me a forward.
Follow footprints.
Huh?
Follow footprints.
Yep, done your footprints. Oh boy. Come on, let's go mess with Nick.
Hey.
What?
You leaving me?
Tell him to come outside so I can hit him with a snowball. But yeah. Where'd Nick go? He left? What going on? Nick already left? Huh?
He coming out.
Okay, come on so I can hit you with a snowball, Nick.
I'll do it.
Look, come on out here so I can hit you with a snowball, nigga.
I ain't got no gloves on.
Ah, nah, you don't need to be out here no way.
I said, what you live on?
Instagram.
Oh, God. You must be nothing like that. I checked, I ain't see.
Yeah, man, boy.
Oh, shit.
Walk to the stove, man. Finna go throw this shit on the grill right fast.
I said, hit up person and see if you can borrow his four-wheeler or something.
Ah, yeah, nah. I need to get me one now.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, man. You see these weather, we don't get it often, but when we do, man.
Right. Yeah, I'm having fun. I'm like, man, you crazy, man. I'm having fun like a motherfucker.
I almost didn't want to come to work today, but I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out and go straight, you know?
Right.
Some of the folks that just driving like they scared, man. If I can get through it in this, y'all can get through it in y'all lifted trucks and whatnot.
Nah, it's different with them rear wheel drive.
Oh, you right, man.
Yeah.
Do stuff on a hill, a small hill like that, you know, ram, like, I just roll right past it.
Right. It's different when you're in that front wheel drive. The front wheel drive pull a little better.
Yeah. Up and down, real drive. But now the front drive a little better than slow sometimes. That's like that mine right there. Just get it.
Right.
Yeah, myself. See y'all out myself. Like I said, I kind of wish I could do the same, but you know, I'm up here now. We are closing at 5, but by then it's start getting dark. You can't be out here.
Right. Alright, shit, I'll holler at you. Alright. For sure, for sure. Hey, man. Head back to the crib. I hit y'all bike, man. I'm finna get back on live. F5.
Oh, big old snowball. No.
Can't get my camera set up right, y'all. Good old fire going. Finna throw these taters on here. And let me see, taters and steaks, man. Steak and taters. Yeah, I can't see the grill now though.
Hey, come on. Hey. Wow. Huh? My footprint? Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. This. Wow. Yeah. The stick comes from a tree. Every kid touches them, I don't know why. Ooh, what's that? Come on, Ace. Want to swing? Excellent swing.
Yeah, man, y'all see, man, we on IG Live. Know what I'm saying? Just put that big boy on here. Yeah, I see it. I don't know why my grill keep doing it. My rack keep laying down. Do I got it on right? Gotta be on right. Anyway, we finna, man, bust that down right there. Man, these coals over here ain't even lit. All my coals ain't lit. Damn. Alright, I gotta figure something out. Hold on. Now look at that thing. Woo, 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 wee. Woo, wee. Man. I had one in there. What the one that was in there?
Oh, that's the steak now? I rinsed it off.
Huh.
Rinse it off.
I put a little char on that thing. Open it up, baby, so I can see what on the inside of it. They ain't gonna look at that, man. Man, Beelo burnt that joint. Man, look at the inside of it. Man, stop playing. Yeah, I don't stop playing with me. Especially when it comes on steak. I put a little char on. I put the char on it for a reason, man. The char is really the seasoning burning. To my understanding. I could be wrong, but the centers be, you know what I'm saying? Slightly pink, man. We ain't doing all the other shit. Just slightly pink, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Medium. Gonna finish my cavite today. Pinot Grigio. Got baked taters. Got. Man, you in here again?
Yes. Great as hell, huh? I don't agree.
Y'all's in the what's called? You gotta get y'all's
What
up
y'all
there.
gonna do when the rapture come?
Hear me? You gotta get y'all's at the what's called. Watch out, buddy.
Rapture come, I'm gonna be like buying a sausage. What is that?
You got one of these two right here. The other one, Jordans. Man, let me I'm finna get in here and eat, y'all. I'm finna get in here and eat. I ain't got time to play with y'all, man. Y'all, you know what I mean? Man, get out my video.
Yo, I'm always in your video.
Man, get at my video.
Why?
If I punch you in the medulla oblongata.